Before Islam, Umar ibn al-Khattab radiallahu anhu was one of the Makkah's most respected and feared men. Strong, tall, intelligent, a warrior, a wrestler, a horseman, belonging to a noble family, among the few who could read and write, admired even by his enemies for justice and decisiveness. The Prophet ﷺ in the early times of his prophethood prayed, O Allah, strengthen Islam with either Abu Jahl or Umar ibn al-Khattab, whichever is dearer to you. Soon after that dua, Umar set out with a sword, intending to kill the Prophet ﷺ. But Allah had other plans. On his way, he learned that his sister has accepted Islam. He entered her home, heard verses of Surah Taha, and his heart trembled. Moments later, he went to the Prophet ﷺ and embraced Islam. The Prophet ﷺ proclaimed, Allahu Akbar. Indeed, Islam has been strengthened by Umar. Once he carried a sword to destroy Islam, but that same sword became a shield for it. Even devil feared him. Radiallahu anhu. As soon as he accepted Islam, he stood before people and declared, We will no longer hide. Then he led the believers to the Kaaba, proclaiming La ilaha illallah. As a Khalifa, Umar radiallahu anhu ruled for 10 years and 6 months, establishing justice, the Hijri calendar, and the foundation of governance. He ruled half the known world, yet feared standing before Allah. He would roam the streets at night whispering, How can I face my Lord if even one of my people sleeps hungry? Under his leadership, Islam spread to Persia, Egypt, and Jerusalem. Yet he lived humbly, eating bread and oil, wearing patchy clothes. The Prophet Muhammad said, If there were to be a prophet after me, it would have been Umar radiallahu anhu. When Umar radiallahu anhu spoke, revelation often confirmed his opinion. For example, take the maqam of Ibrahim as a place of prayer, his advice to the Prophet ﷺ's wives, his stance on the prisoners of Badr. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, Allah has placed truth upon Umar's tongue and in his heart. The title Al-Faruq was given to Umar ibn al-Khattab radiallahu anhu by the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ himself. Al-Faruq means the one who distinguishes between truth and falsehood. It signifies Umar radiallahu anhu's strong sense of justice, clarity, and courage in standing up for what is right. If you truly want to understand the life of Umar al-Faruq radiallahu anhu, watch the Umar series. It beautifully brings the story to life. His tears, his strength, his justice, his humility, and his faith. Through it, you won't just learn about him, you will feel a deep love and respect for who he was, the Lion of Islam. Umar radiallahu anhu once prayed, O Allah, grant me martyrdom in your cause, and let my death be in the city of your messenger, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And Allah granted both. One morning, as he led the believers in Fajr prayer, he was struck by a dagger. Bleeding, he whispered, All praise is for Allah, who granted me martyrdom in his house. As he lay wounded, he sent his son to Aisha radiallahu anha, the wife of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, asking her, May I be buried beside my two companions? Aisha radiallahu anha replied, I had reserved that spot for myself, but today I give it to Umar radiallahu anhu. When her reply reached him, Umar radiallahu anhu smiled through tears and said, Nothing was more precious to me than this. And so Umar radiallahu anhu was buried beside the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu, his two beloved companions in the world and the next.